Hello.
Hi.
Today I would like to talk about cells. But don't worry, I'm not going to talk about cells structure that we have already learned on biology class. Today I'm sharing about the characters and their jobs in one popular Japanese anime, Cells at Work. Today I'm talking about three families: granulocyte, non-leukocyte, and monocyte. We'll learn them later. These three families are all produced from two main cells: hematopoietic stem cell and progenitor cells. Okay. Hematopoietic stem cells are also called HSC. SHC and progenitor cells can differentiate into two parts: myeloids and lymphoids. Myeloids and lymphoids can also differentiate into different cells with different functions. Now, let's talk about the first family, granulocyte. There are four members in this family. The first member is neutrophil, a cool guy who killed bacteria in the anime. Their job is to phagocytose the pathogen. Also, they are good at passing through the capillaries, so they can find the bacteria faster than other cells. Okay, now the second member is eosinophil, a girl who killed the parasite. Their job is to resist the parasite that we may get from seafood or raw food. Now the third member, basophil, a strange and mysterious guy with an umbrella. They only come out when there was an allergy happens. They only account for 1% in human cells. The fourth member, mast cell. They also come out when there was an allergy happens. In one episode, the body had hay fever. The body was allergic to Japanese Kedar's pollen. Just the yellow guy is the Japanese Kedar pollen. And the mast cell got the messages, and it was her job to release tissue fluid. But she released too much, so there were some allergy reactions like runny nose. After a few minutes, steroid came in and stopped releasing tissue fluid and killed all the bacteria. So the problem is solved. Now, the second family, monocyte. There are three members in this family. The first member is monocyte. It's a kind of wandering cell. Monocyte can also change into macrophage. What is macrophage? Macrophage is a kind of killer cells. They can kill bacteria, just like neutrophil. Their job is just like neutrophil, they phagocytose the pathogen. And also, they're much stronger and bigger than neutrophil. This is their real size. Yeah, and they also send bacteria's messages back to other cells so they can find where the bacteria is. Now, the third member, dendritic cell. Dendritic cells are the main cells to receive messages. They can release some special cytokine to activate other cells. For example, That guy is navy killer T cell, a kind of killer cell, but younger. He was not good at killing bacteria, so he felt sad, and he went to dendritic cell for some advice. The dendritic cell released some cytokine to activate this guy, so he became stronger after that. Now, the third family, granulocyte. There are two members in this family, two very popular members. First is erythrocyte. Erythrocytes don't have immune functions. They cannot kill bacteria. They account for 99% in human cells. They send oxygen and nutrients to other cells. And there was a campus for young erythrocytes to study and live. There was a ceremony for them. The macrophage will pull the nucleus out of their head, so they can become a grown-up erythrocytes and go to work. It's true. Yeah. And finally, the last character, platelet. They don't have the cell structure. They are just the fragments of macrophage. Their main job is to use the coagulation factors to fill up the wound. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you.